In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create neon glow outlines and shadows in PowerPoint. If you're ready to make your text pop with a vibrant, electric look, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, open up PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you're in, head over to the File option in the top menu to start a new presentation or open an existing one. Now, it's time to bring in your text. Navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon up top, click on Text Box, and type in whatever message you want to electrify. Selecting the font for your text is crucial for the best neon effect. Choose something thick and bold so that your neon glow can stand out clearly. With your text selected, you'll see a Shape Format or Format tab appear on your screen. Click on that to access a variety of formatting options tailored for your selected text. Let's add some magic now. Click on Text Effects, then follow the path to Glow, and finally hit Glow Options. Here, you're able to set your glow to a bright and vibrant color. It's your chance to get creative. If you want something unique or specific, select more colors to find that perfect hue. Next, play around with the size and transparency sliders. A larger glow size will really catch the eye, and reducing transparency can make it bolder. Experiment here until you find the glow you love. To give your text a sharper and more defined neon look, a little adjustment of the text's fill and outline does the trick. For text fill, consider using a lighter shade of your neon color, or even go with white to achieve a brighter center. When it comes to the outline, a white or very light-colored boundary can beautifully define the shape of your neon text. Once you have your main glow set, let's add a shadow to enhance the effect further. Go back to Text Effects, and this time select Shadow followed by Shadow Options. Choose a shadow color that matches your neon glow, helping it blend seamlessly. Set the distance to 0 point to keep the shadow close to the text and part of that neon magic. To create a softened look, increase the blur. This diffuses the shadow, making it appear more natural and less harsh. Lastly, adjust the transparency of the shadow to fine-tune its intensity. A subtle shadow might complement your glow better, ensuring it's not too overpowering. And that's it. You've transformed ordinary text into something visually striking with neon glow outlines and shadows, all within PowerPoint. Hop into your presentation and watch your audience be amazed by your glowing text. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!